We interact with players every day, and we've learned there's a lot of misinformation out there regarding golf balls and golf ball fitting.
One of the myths we hear most frequently is players don't think that they're good enough to play Pro V1 or Pro V1X.
If you change to a different golf ball simply because you think you're not good enough, you're actually making it more difficult to hit shots into the green. So playing a golf ball with exceptional short game scoring characteristics will actually help golfers of all skill levels lower their score.
You can test drivers and irons and putters all you want, but you're only going to use those a certain amount during the round, whereas a golf ball you're going to use every shot.
The short game is key. I think that's an area, that's a part of your game which has to be on at all times.
Titleist's approach to fitting considers all of your shots. We start from the green, hit some lob shots, some pitch shots, some chip shots. Was it a good performance of the golf ball? How did it feel?
Then we have the player hit full iron shots and finally driver.
You want to fit the golf ball to your irons and your scoring clubs and shots, and then fit the driver to that golf ball that you've chosen.
Amateurs can go through the same process as we do.
Consistency with ball fitting, it's crucial. You're going to get different distances, different reactions, obviously different spin rates.
It's so important that you have the right ball to allow you to shoot lower scores and allow you to improve to the best of your ability. If you're not playing the right golf ball, it's going to be very difficult for you to be the best that you can be.
Titleist golf ball fitting is your invitation to lower scores.